Are you ready to create a professional typography poster in Photoshop that looks clean, modern, and eye-catching? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to design a stunning letter composition using simple tools like masks, clipping masks, shadows, and smart objects. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and create a new document with a size of 21 by 29.7 centimeters. This is the standard A4 size, perfect for poster design. Now go to the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Solid Color. Select Pure Black as your background color. This will give your design a bold, dramatic base and make the typography stand out beautifully. Next, select the Type tool and type the letter Z using the font mentioned in the description below. If you don't have the font yet, you can download it from the link provided in the description. Increase the font size to 730 to make it large and dominant on the canvas. After typing the Z, temporarily hide this text layer. Then, using the same font, type a new letter C. This time, increase the size to around 950, so it appears larger and creates a layered depth effect when combined with the Z. Now, make both text layers visible again and carefully adjust their positions so they overlap in an interesting and balanced way. Once positioned correctly, hide the C layer for a moment. Select the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection over the area where you want the Z to be visible. After making the selection, click on Add Layer Mask. This will hide the unwanted portion and create a clean-cut effect. Turn the visibility of the C layer back on. Again, use the rectangular marquee tool and hold Control while clicking to make a precise selection. Right-click and choose Select Inverse. Then click Add Layer Mask to hide the unwanted portion of the C. Now the letters should look like they are interlocked or sliced creatively. To enhance realism, right-click on the Z layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to make non-destructive edits later. Create a new blank layer above the Z layer. Select the Brush tool, set the foreground color to black, and click once at the top of the letter. Hold Shift and click at the bottom to create a perfectly straight shadow line. Using the Move tool, slightly move this shadow toward the right side to create depth. Right-click on the shadow layer and choose Create Clipping Mask so the shadow only affects the Z. Then, hold Shift, select the Z, Shadow, and C layers, and group them together to keep everything organized. Now open the group and select the C layer. Place your flower image above it. You can download this image from the link in the description. Right-click and select. Create Clipping Mask so the flower fits perfectly inside the letter C. This instantly adds a vibrant and artistic touch to the design. Next, select the Type tool again and add your main text in a beautiful green color that complements the flower. Make sure the typography style matches the overall aesthetic. Create a new layer. Select the Brush tool and gently tap once using the same green color to add a subtle decorative accent. Now choose the vertical type tool and type your supporting text with the specified settings. This vertical text adds a modern editorial feel to the poster. Finally, use the Type tool one more time to add your final text details with the desired font settings. Adjust spacing, alignment, and positioning until everything looks clean and balanced. And that's it. Your professional typography poster is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss upcoming creative Photoshop tutorials. Let me know in the comments what design you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.